Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay My Favorite Fruit Banana. Let's start. My favorite fruit is banana. Its color is yellow. It has a skin which we have to peel off. It is sweet in taste. Banana has no seeds. The leaves of banana trees are very long. Bananas are available all the year. It is very useful for weight gain. Banana is good source of vitamins. I eat a banana every day. If you like this video, please hit the like button and for more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.